New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
Since 1964, the Ford Mustang has been about performance. Today's model continues that tradition, and then some. From powerful engines to road-grabbing suspensions, America's original pony car has it all. With 9 versions to choose from, including fastback and convertible body styles and 2 Shelby GT350s, there's a Mustang waiting for you. 3 engines stand ready to deliver. A 2.3-liter EcoBoost blends power and efficiency. The GT's V8 develops 460 horsepower, and the Shelby GT350s put out 526. With all that power, you'll want to keep your eyes on the road. Available voice-activated sync technology makes it easy. Just say the word and stay connected to the world around you. The available 12-speaker Shaker Pro audio system featuring HD radio technology takes the edge off of rush hour. Add available navigation with SiriusXM Traffic and Travel Link and get where you're going as efficiently as possible. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories and build a Mustang that's all yours. The Ford Mustang. The legend continues.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.